Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the never-endingly snowy off-grid project. Snowed again. I had shoveled this out this morning so I could get out and get to work. And then it snowed again quite a bit, actually, on top of where I had shoveled. And then the snowplow plowed me back in again. And I was able to break through at high speed, but it's dangerous. I'm going to have to shovel out again to get to work again tomorrow. This is quite frustrating. I don't know who the plow guy is, but as you guys have seen, we shovel from here all the way down and out to there. So I don't need to be paying any snowplow. So I don't know if he thinks we owe him something or what, but he does this every time, and I don't know who it is, but I need to find out because this is really horrible. I have a wife and a baby, and I have to shovel twice every time it snows. Once to get us out and once to get us back in. And that's sickening. Anyway, so here we are. Like I said, I blasted through this time to get home from work, but to get out, you know, I just don't want to risk it because I keep hitting the snowbank if it's too slippery, or I'll hit over here and I won't be able to see as good going backwards. So I'm going to be shoveling again. But we got quite a bit of snow again today after I left. It's quite a bit. My pathway that I did show you just the other day is gone. Look at that. It's all gone. Filled in. The logs are buried, so it's at least 16 inches in the middle, and in places it's up to my waist. It's about 32 to 36 inches in places out here through the yard. I just went for a walk down the lane, and I was checking the depth of the snow, and considering it's hard to see here, but considering it's pretty level in places, you can get an idea. It's about waist high in places. It's just been going and going and going this year, and still coming down. So I've got to get back out to it. That's all I do now. I go to work. I get up in the morning, I shovel. I go to work. I come home at night, I shovel and go to bed. Get up in the morning, I shovel, I go to work. I come home and I shovel and I go to bed. This is my life. That's it. Oh, one note, the snowplow drivers are complaining of the snow. You know it's bad when the snowplows are complaining of the snow. They're tired of it. Then you know it's bad because that's their bread and butter. So it's been unusual this year. Morning, everybody. I gotta get myself out to get to work. And this is what happens when the snowplow comes through. Turns hard like ice. So I'm a little late today. When he plows it in, it's a mess. So, chip away at it, piece by piece. That's just too deep now, and it hardened. So now it's probably could do damage to the car. Beautiful sunny day today. I hate shoveling twice, so this isn't cool. He knows I have a wife and a baby and no snowplow blower. I told him we shovel this whole thing ourselves, unless they got a new snowplow guy, but still, I don't think it's cool. Regardless. It's a lot of extra work after it's been clear and obvious. I plowed the whole thing out to the front, all the way. I shovel it myself every time by hand. So I gotta figure out what's up with that. Getting mountains of snow here. And I gotta break this wall down because I keep hitting it with the car. I'm gonna hurt the car. Today's gonna be sunny half the day, which is good for the batteries. But I won't be here myself to use it. And other than knowing how to turn on and off lights in her computer, Melanie has no interest in the solar part of it. As long as things work when she turns them on, that's all that matters. So I mean, she doesn't care about mining. She's not into computers. So I'm gonna have to figure a way to get the mining rigs going remotely one day so I can run them when I'm not here. Use that excess solar power when it's available. See that right there? I'm hitting the car on that. When I come in at night from work, I hit that. So the days are longer. The sun is up when I leave and the sun is up when I get home. So I'll be getting the camera out more. It was dark for a while there. Too dark to do anything and too bitter cold. It was so cold. Still is. It was negative 15 this morning at our place. Now this new stove is fluff. It's not a big deal here. This stuff, I can't see my camera now. Right down here, that's all fluff. I just throw that. Just keep it cleared out for the car. Keep my pathway wide enough. I hope the solar panels will clear their own cells off. I gotta go to work. It's Troy from Do It Yourself World and a snowy off-grid project. Another day begins. Talk to you all later. Please like, subscribe, and share. And follow our soon-to-be again daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and back off the grid on a budget.